Let's talk about hands-on AI by defining what isn't hands-on AI, and that's most artificial intelligence, massive data sets, labeled or unlabeled data, machine learning models trained on TPUs, GPUs in the cloud. Your results, they take a percentage of your data set and then test your results based on that percentage that wasn't part of the training data to give you a sense of how amazing the artificial intelligence machine learning model is. Well, in a hands-on AI, we use small microcontrollers, really cheap, 5, 10, 50 bucks, and vision or motion or sound or any sense. And you train the model with the data that you know and you've labeled, and you train that model for something specific, whether it's to detect a key word, whether it's to detect something important to you like fire, or whether a person's lying down. It's very specific, and it's a great learning environment because you're fully in control of what happens. You could train the data set on the cloud with your own data, but you could also train it client side. And so you potentially can be in full control of that artificial intelligence training and use. And that's what I'm calling hands-on AI, is using small, inexpensive devices to learn about all types of artificial intelligence. Because there are similarities between the large language models and these miniature models.